welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go click that subscribe. Why are you laughing?
Nothing.
Okay.
I don't know what to do.
Just stand there. You're fine.
Go.
Okay, ready? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
No, hold on, because I look stupid.
Ow.
You started. Alright.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go click that subscribe button and turn your post notification bells so you know when I post a new video. So today is December 1st and I am going to be doing Vlogmas this year. This is my first Vlogmas ever. Actually, my first December even filming any video because I started in January.
Last year?
Yeah.
Wow.
So it's almost a year since I started YouTube, but she has to be kidding me. Do you guys hear my mom, bro?
Like 5 times.
Literally interrupted 5 times trying to film this video. But anyway, we are in the Christmas spirit. It's Christmas vibes and the good vibes. And today, the first day of Vlogmas, we're going to be decorating the Christmas tree behind us. No better way to start it. We got some coquito right here, little lady, and yeah, we're just gonna decorate the tree. Yeah,
I really have water.
She was the one that said that she wanted to drink too, so.
But now I'm tired. And I actually drank a little bit before,
It's
so now it made me like
7:20 at night.
I'm tired.
Yeah, whatever. Anyway, we're just gonna pretty much decorate the tree, do a little holiday vibes, get in the spirit nice and early. Our Christmas tree is fake. It is a fake Christmas tree, but listen, look what it does. Look what it does. What kind of vibe are you feeling? You feeling the colorful vibe, guys?
Remote?
Get ready. You feeling the twinkle change color vibe? Wait, there's one more setting.
I just thought white.
Or you could do all white.
I didn't know that because I was trying to take my pictures, my product photos, and I was just doing with the colors.
Oh my god. Yeah, our Christmas tree changes colors.
I like this.
White, right?
Are you serious? This shit is like plastic sharp.
Is it really?
No, put your finger on this one. Just go dead into it, right?
No.
Try it again.
Okay.
Let me do it for you.
No, you're gonna hurt me. Okay,
Right?
that
Yeah.
hurt a little bit. But anyway, what vibe are you feeling?
I'm feeling the white.
Me too, but
low-key
I wanted to do like an all white tree. If we had the white.
Yeah.
But we don't have
Yeah.
all white like Christmas
Yeah,
balls
like
and stuff like that.
glitter.
We have glitter, colors,
Everything.
all of the above, quite honestly. We have stuff even from when we were kids. Like
Like things we
kids
made.
stuff, literally. It's sick. So what color are we feeling? I'm kind of feeling the
twinkle.
changing.
I like the changing.
I think I'm feeling solid. Just like
White? And
No,
I
this.
did. Yeah, I like that.
Just keep this.
Because I did.
It's in between both. There's white, there's
I liked the white before, but then like it makes me a little blonde.
I think if we had white
I didn't
stuff,
even know
it
there
would
was a
look better.
remote.
Yeah, little remote to go with it in the stocking. You
This
can
is-
hang this on the tree too. And just keep there, no one will ever know there's
I
a remote.
did see that there.
Yeah, this was the remote. Oh my god.
I can't.
Anyway, let's just get right into this video. We're about to decorate this tree for you. If you're excited to see the outcome of the tree and to see our decorating skills, like this video right now. Comment down below what else you want to see from me. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button. I don't even know where to start.
This one is heavy.
Oh, this is Chase. This is our oldest dog's paw print.
I did make.
Look how cute that is. That's literally his paw in 2018. It's now 2020. This was 2018.
This is Egypt's 2018.
Oh, this is my little dog's paw. Oh, it's a little dirty. This is her paw. This was 2018 as well too.
An ornament from a cookies and cream bar.
What?
A cookies and cream snowman. I think I got this from one of my kids in school, and they kept this.
What's cookies and cream?
Like, you know the Hershey's bar cookies and cream?
That came with it?
Yeah. Look at this on the back.
I'm telling you guys, we
Cookies
literally
and
have
cream
stuff
snowman.
from
It's
like
like a hoarding.
old, like years old. Let's put the dogs first.
I'm gonna put this.
Put some respect on the dogs.
Oh, children of the world.
Show them that.
All the children in the world. I don't know what
That's
this
a
is,
UNICEF.
but
It's UNICEF.
putting this up.
You know when you like donate, you get something in return.
You guys want to see Tinkerbell? She's cute. She's cute.
I like the texture on this, but what the hell is that? The texture of me.
Not. Oh, it is.
It is the texture. Let's put baby Jesus.
I'm gonna put. This one looks cute.
Shit, it came out. Look at My Little Pony one.
Where?
What
Why?
the hell?
Why?
I don't think we ever liked
I
My
don't
Little
think
Pony.
I did.
Oh,
That's
an
not
angel.
It's an angel. It's not my.
It literally. Time out. Tell me this didn't look like My Little Pony from the side or something. Like,
Let me see.
look, like real quick, like a 1, 2, 3, real quick. My Little Pony vibes.
Let me see.
Oh look, Al. This is yours from 1999.
Oh, that's not when I was born.
No, you weren't.
No, I know, but they could think that.
Oh, okay. Look,
1995.
my sister has one from 1999. This is a vintage ornament. Little angel. That's not when she was born though.
95.
She was born in 95. This is just, I don't know what this is for.
I guess that's when they got it.
I guess.
How old was I? 95, 67, 98, 99. 4. 4 years old.
You gonna count on your fingers?
Yeah. Oh, look, I think Dad got us these. Because there's 2. You don't have to see me to know I'm here.
What does this say?
You don't have to see me to know I'm here.
Oh, I thought it said to know I'm cute. I was like, what the fuck kind of ornament is that?
That should be one though. You don't have to see me to know I'm cute.
I'm crying.
No, sorry, we don't need to go out. Just
Oh! Oh my god.
I can't. I don't even know where.
Whoa! I thought that was glass. What is happening?
I don't even know where to put this.
Me
'cause
neither. I feel like the shit's full. Are we done?
Right, look at this. Full.
Are we done?
No.
Just kidding.
Oh look, so yeah, you don't have to see me to know I'm there.
In the
I
back.
don't need to see you.
We know you're there.
Yeah.
That's horrible.
Oh
Okay.
look, Merry Christmas, 1996. Look at this one. 1996, Merry Christmas. Another little vintage piece.
Vintage.
We could sell this to you guys for $3,000.
Ew. I gotta show them this.
No.
Guys. Look
No.
at this vintage piece. Are you guys ready to see us when we were kids? This was December 2003. How old were we? I was 6. So you were
7, 8.
Or
I just got 7. 2003. I'm really bad at math.
3. I was 6.
8.
Yeah.
8.
You're 2 years older than me.
8.
Look at this.
Oh god, it's so ugly.
Literally big. Oh my god, guys, screenshot this right now and put
No.
us on blast.
No, I'll
Make
sue
it
you.
a meme.
I'll sue you. I thought I had. Oh, whoa. You guys want. We thought that was a little vintage piece. Merry Christmas. 1985.
85?
85.
Who's that?
It says
Who's
mom's
85?
name on the back.
Oh shit.
1985.
Oh my god. This looks like Elf on the Shelf. This is the vintage Elf on the Shelf. Y'all ready? Look at this boy. He looks scary.
Who is that?
Pinocchio, I think. Look at the nose. Oh my gosh. Pinocchio, right?
He's creepy.
Yeah, we
That's
have
vintage elf.
Vintage
Elf on
Elf
the
on the
shelf.
Shelf.
$4,000. $4,000.
Okay guys, so this is our final decoration
Beautiful.
tree. It took us about
5 minutes?
it didn't take 5 minutes. It probably took us like 20 minutes. 20 minutes, not too shabby.
We
not
had
too
all
shabby.
the ornaments and everything, and
Yeah.
we didn't do like a design or pattern, so
We
I
just
don't
kind of
think it
just
really
threw
matters.
everything on
Yeah.
because it's a colorful vibe. That's about it for this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what else you want to see from me this month during Vlogmas. I would love to hear it. It would make my life easier. But yeah, that's about it for this video. I hope you liked seeing us decorate our tree.
so fun, right?
We didn't light the star either because we didn't have an extension cord, but
Yeah.
it is what it is. It'll be lit
Well,
in the
like,
next video.
yeah.
I'm sure you'll see it nice and lit. Alright guys, that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching.